Hi friends, welcome to Telugu Trade channel. Today I'm going to give my analysis on IDFC First Bank. So I'm going to tell here whether can we enter the IDFC Bank First Bank at this price and what are the levels to buy and where the stock is going to face resistance in the coming days. So I'm also going to brief you why the stock is rising from the last 1 week. Before going into my analysis, I would request each one of you to like this video in case if you really find the information useful, and also subscribe to my videos and my channel Telugu Trades. Here is a brief introduction about IDFC First Bank. Like other banks, it is also going to offer a wide range of services to the customers. Like it's into current accounts, savings account, NRI accounts, salary accounts, demat accounts, fixed deposits, home loan, personal loan, business loan, forex products, payment solutions, wealth management services. IDFC First Bank has total 260 branches, 140 ATMs, and it is also present across 454 rural and correspondent centers across the country. It offers net banking, mobile banking, and 24/7 customer service care. So here is a brief returns of the IDFC First Bank from the last 4 years. If you see the YTD, it is in negative returns, negative minus 51.16, and the 1 year return is minus 51.91%, and the last, if you see the 4 year return, it is minus 53.82%. So if you see the stock from the last 4 years has not given any returns to the investors. So what is in this stock if it has not given any returns in the last 4 years? I'll brief it in the next slides. Okay. If you see the Fibonacci level, the stock is facing a resistance at 23.04, R2 at 23.88, R3 at 25.23. The stock has a strong support at 20.33, 19.49, followed by 18.33. So the stock is technically trading about 50-day simple moving average of 21.65, and the stock has resistance at 100-day simple moving average of 31.24. So if you see the stock is performing well from the last 1 week, the reason being it is the stock, the share, the company in fact has turned into net profit positive after 9 quarters. So this is a big benefit to the shareholder, because what is going to happen is the stock will sooner or later will start giving up best returns to the investors. So this is the daily chart of IDFC First Bank. If you see, the stock has formed a double bottom at 19.65 level, and after this level it has a support at 22.10, where there was a clear breakout. The stock is temporarily facing a resistance at 24.79 followed by 26.94. But once this stock crosses 27.47 on a daily closing basis, the stock has a lot of energy to move to the next level of 32.55. If you see the volume in the last year on Friday closing, it has a volume of 153.803 million. See this big green candle. It is the biggest candle you have seen in the last 1.5 year. So which means there is a investors sentiment going positive on this stock, and most of the investors are entering into this stock. If you see the RSI also, RSI is also forming a decent base, and it is about to break the previous resistance. So once this break 55 or 56 levels, there will be a good momentum in this stock, and the price also will move accordingly. And coming to the ADX, ADX positive DMI is also at 31, and the negative DMI is slowly falling down, which means that the stock is a good choice for the investors right now. Going to the weekly charts also, it has formed a double bottom at 22.10 level. Okay, so the stock is facing some resistance at 23.23. If the stock is breaking this 23.23 level, the stock can slowly climb towards the next resistance of 32.69. If you see the volumes also here, it has formed the green weekly closing candle compared to the previous candles. And the RSI also very good. It is at 36.81, so investors can enter even on a weekly basis also, keeping a stop loss of 22.10. ADX is also rising. Weekly ADX is 15.76 and the negative ADX is also falling, which is a good sign for investors buying this share. Next, coming to the most important thing, the monthly charts of the IDFC Bank. Here, if you see, the stock has formed a double bottom around 18.07 on monthly charts. So someone who wants to enter into this stock on a monthly closing basis, he has to maintain 18.07 as a strict stop loss, and he should exit if the price follows below this level. So the stock is also facing a stiff resistance at 26.95, breaking which it can move to the further levels of 32.69 and 38.42 on a monthly charts. Once this stock breaks this 38.42, it can well move to the levels of 50 and 60 and so on. If you see the closing volume candles for the last 2 months, it is ended up in green. So this is also a positive sign for investors. On a monthly RSI level, the stock is rising and it is at 32 level, which is a decent base for investors to enter into this stock. So for those who want to accumulate this stock for longer tenure and longer duration, I request them to maintain a stop loss of 18.07. Friends, if you really like my levels of technical analysis on this particular IDFC First Bank share, please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me a lot to do further videos.